Okay, so this has gone viral recently where you can see that a guy's just turned himself into a woman and has given some sort of guide on like AI OnlyFans. And obviously, people are making a lot of money with this. This isn't my usual content, but I'm just going to show you how to do this in like literally a few minutes. So you go to TikTok. I've already found one, but you find like a video of a hot woman dancing or something. Um, and obviously, this one is probably also AI, but you just pop this in on Swap Talk in the link. It will download it, and then you can add your own like ABG or AI influencer. I've got an example here where obviously it's like an Asian girl that's hot. So I'm gonna hit generate, and then I'll just skip to when it's done. Okay, so it's generated and it's fucking perfect, right? Like that is the woman that I put in there, and it's copied exactly the dance. In fact, it even looks like better than the original video. And as you can see, it has got music, the same music from the video, so that's good to go. That's a single video right there, and you can obviously just churn these out and get views. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, there's like a community note down here saying that basically it's not real with AI and OnlyFans, and I think that's true. I think that you do have to have like identity verification, but people actually just have a private Telegram channel, which is how you can monetize these like AI influencers is by posting like shorts on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and then just having a link to the Telegram where you can obviously they're a lot more permissive, and then you can allow like Telegram star payments for that. So yeah, just wanted to add that in.